Hi, welcome to Home-Style&Botanicals. In this video, we're using our tripod for the very first time with our Dutch oven. So if these kind of videos are your jam, then stay tuned. This is kind of like campfire meals inside the Dutch oven using our Lodge tripod.
Relax.
So it's about 6 p.m. in the evening, and we have in our Dutch oven small mini potatoes, sausages, onions, and carrots, seasoned with pepper, smoked paprika, garlic, a little cayenne, and it's smoked seasoning, onion powder, a few bay leaves, and chicken broth. And that's what we have inside the Dutch oven. Oh, also a little parsley. Forgot about that. But we're super excited to use our tripod for the very first time. And it looks like it's cooking good. We're using some pallets as our wood to start, and starter wood chip in there. But we also have wood that we purchased from the wood store nearby. And they actually like cut down trees, and it's like a tree service business. Looks like a family-owned business, but you can go and purchase wood. We have the hubs and the little pup here. Tankersley. And this is the wood that we purchased here. Lots of wood. 10 bucks for I don't know how many pounds that is. How many pounds is this, baby?
Like 10 pounds.
10 pounds of wood. So I'm certain that we'll use that. We do have a couple of more slacks from the pallet. And yeah, we'll just enjoy a cozy evening cooking our fire pit / campfire meal inside our Dutch oven pot using our tripod stand from Lodge. Back up, girl. Thank you. Girl, Tankersley, move back. It's hot. There you go, girl.
Poker.
We'll use this poker here. I believe that's what this is called, to pick up the pot top and check the food once the fire calms. And also we'll use it to kind of move embers around once the fire calms, if we need to. think I hear it boiling and doing what it's supposed to do, cooking up. Yep, I can hear it. Smoke coming out of the pot.
Whoa, nice.
Ooh,
We got action.
looking good.
We got.
Oh my God, it smells amazing. It's so, oh, move back. Tankersley, move.
Move.
Girl.
Get out.
Because we're not going to the veterinarian tonight.
Like, wow.
Oh my God, it smells so flavorful. Delish. Huh?
Turkey and beef.
Cooking it up. Hold on, let me give you guys a close-up. Oh, I wish this was smell-o-vision. You'd enjoy it. Yeah.
Man.
Awesome campfire or fire pit meal.
Wow, that smells really.
Oh, it's amazing. Oh, God, super delicious. Tankersley, wouldn't you agree? I think Tankersley would agree. She's standing really close. Too close. Get back. Get back, girl. Too close. Thank you.
The onions, the carrots,
Yeah.
the bay leaves.
It is
really
everything.
It's the beef sausage and the turkey sausage is really.
Back up, girl. Back up. That's a good girl. Move.
Crab boil definitely popping up.
Yeah, it could be a crab boil for sure. Okay, so our meal has been on for about an hour and a half. It was pretty much about 6 o'clock when we started. Of course, the sun was still up. It's about 7:20 now. And I tested the potatoes and the carrots, and they're tender through and through. And then we're going to take it off of the fire and place it here on the brick and show you what it's looking like. It's just been a total vibe, and this smells amazing every time we lift the top off. It's just a delight. We cannot wait to chomp down. Be careful. Okay, put it here.
Yes, sir.
Campfire dinner or fire pit. Ooh, looking good.
Nothing like that right there.
That looks delicious.
That's
So
it right there.
delicious.
That's it.
That's the one that I cut open to make sure it was tender. And that was a big potato. It's definitely tender, as well as the carrots. And of course, didn't take that long for the sausage and onions to get tender. Oh my God, it smells amazing. This campfire meal is super delish. Thank you so much for enjoying this presentation. I'm gonna finish my meal and enjoy the campfire vibes and see what's wrong with my little puppy. I think she wants a little bit because it smells delicious. Simply amazing and just delightful. This is Carla for Home-Style&Botanicals for my little puppy Tankersley. I guess she wants a piece of the sausage. I'll see you guys in my next video. All right, have a good evening. Whoa. Looks delicious and tastes delicious too. The potatoes are tender, if you notice, as well as the carrots. Very tender and very delicious. And the sausages are done. And the sauce, or the jus, super delicious. Tasty, tasty, tasty. Okay, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one. See you all. This is Carla, Home-Style&Botanicals, with my husband Eric and our little pup Tankersley. See you in the next one. Bye.